Workspaces is a feature of Google Drive which allows you to put together files from different locations so you can more easily find them under a common title or theme. So as you can see here, I make buttons a lot for Canvas or for my websites, so I put all the different button option slideshows that I have right in this one workspace so that it's easy for me just to quickly come find them versus they're in different spots throughout my drive. So you would just click on Create Workspace, give it a title so that you know what it is. Maybe I'm just going to call this Collaboration 1. Maybe you're doing a collaboration with a colleague. So you click Create. Then once you create that, you would just click on Add Files. And then you can search for your files by name by clicking the search button up here. Or maybe they're in shared folders or shared drives. You can click here to find those. And then as you find those files, you would just add them. If I click on this one, and then I would insert it, and you can see that it just starts to add it to this list, and I would click on Add Files and continue doing that until they are done, and now I have this folder that has these specific files. When you're done with it, if you don't want to keep it because maybe it's just a short-term collaboration project, you would click on those three dots and you would just remove that workspace and click Remove. Doesn't remove the files, it just removes that specific workspace. So this is a great new feature as well, especially for collaboration activities or just when you're even working on a project, or to put a bunch of different files that might be in different folders, but you want to kind of create its own little space for it here.